20 things to do when you are bored in winter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Winter can sometimes feel like a time to rest, especially when it's cold and the days are short. It's easy to just stay inside and wait for the weather to change. But even though winter can make outdoor activities harder, it also gives us a chance to try new things, finish projects we've been putting off, and enjoy the quiet beauty of the season. Whether you're stuck inside because of the snow or just enjoying the slower pace, there are plenty of ways to avoid getting bored. If you're wondering what to do with your extra time this winter, here are 20 ideas to keep you entertained and inspired. Read a book. Winter is a great time to enjoy a good book. Read a new novel or revisit an old favorite one. Watch a movie. Watch holiday movies or your favorite TV series. Popcorn and a blanket are a must for extra comfort. Start a winter journal. Write about your winter days, your goals, or create a gratitude journal to focus on positive things. Try new recipe. Try new food recipes when you are bored. Cook comfort foods like mac and cheese or cinnamon rolls are perfect for winter. Make hot chocolate. Instead of instant, mix milk, cornstarch, sugar, pinch of salt, cocoa powder, and dark chocolate. Then heat it. Top it with whipped cream or marshmallows. Try knitting and crochet. Knitting and crochet are relaxing hobbies. You can make lots of cute things like these. They also make great handmade gifts. Have a winter photo shoot. Take pictures outside in the snow or create cozy indoor settings to photograph your favorite winter outfits or spots in your home. Create a winter playlist. Put together a playlist with cozy songs and your favorite ones to keep your energy up during the cold months. Try a new hobby. Winter is great for starting a new hobby. You could learn painting, music, or digital art. DIY crafts. Get creative with crafts. You can make winter decorations like wreaths, snowflakes, or candles, or try making your own greeting cards for birthdays or holidays. Build a snowman or snow fort. If it's snowy where you live, have fun outside. Build a snowman or make a snow fort with your friends or family. Do a deep clean. Winter is a good time to clean and organize. Clean your closet or rearrange your furniture to make your space feel nice. Create a vision board. Think about your goals for 2025. Cut out pictures and write your dreams on a board to remind yourself of what you want to achieve. Try a winter sport. Winter sports are a fun way to stay active during the colder months, and many can be enjoyed outdoors in the snow or on ice, like ice skating, snowboarding, and skiing. Make a to-do list for winter. Write down things you want to do before winter. It could be anything like doing exercise, baking, or playing games. A list helps you enjoy the season. Have a self-care day. Take a break from the usual routine. Relax with a good book, some comfort food, and maybe a nap. Do your skincare routine to feel relaxed and confident. Help others. Winter can be hard for many. Also, cold temperature and snow makes it hard to find food for animals. You can help them by giving them food. Winter room makeover. A winter room makeover is all about transforming your living space into a warm and cozy space during the colder months by adding warm colors, lighting, Christmas tree, and cute plush pillows. Do your nails. You can design your nails inspired by winter and its snowflakes. You can also use colors like blue and white to make it look more wintry. Plan future vacation. Dream about warmer days by planning your next vacation. Research destinations and start organizing an itinerary. Planning a trip gives you something exciting to look forward to. Winter doesn't have to be a time of doing nothing. Even though the cold might make us want to stay indoors, it's also a chance to slow down and focus on things we might not have time for during the rest of the year. Winter is a time to reset, explore, and enjoy life's simple pleasures. So next time you feel bored, check out this list and find a fun way to make the most of the season.